Welcome to the Gallus TCS 250 Premium Label Report. By featuring the Gallus TCS 250, today's report focuses on a unique machine system that is distinguished by versatility and the highest possible printing quality. Who is not familiar with the requirements that top-flight branded articles place on the label? Whether wine, spirits, or other high-grade brands, the products and their uses are increasingly interchangeable. Unfortunately, many are now losing some of their long-established character. Sometimes the image becomes faded and lackluster. It is increasingly important to convey the uniqueness of products along with their uses, their character, and certainly also the emotions that are involved. The label, and of course the label printer, both have their part to play. The label is a part of the product. It indicates the uses, conveys emotions, and not least, influences our well-being. But let's listen to someone who's an expert on the requirements placed on labels. Labels are becoming the most important part of packaging because of the way they define the character of the product. In order to differentiate one product from another, designers must use the latest design techniques and every combination of high-quality printing techniques available. As retro specialists, we act as the link between design and production. The challenge for us is to transfer a concept into a printed label. To achieve this, we need the flexibility to use different printing and other developing techniques. The Gallus TCS 250 machine system makes all this possible. Let us run through this expert's core statements again. In high-quality label printing, it's all about unlocking the potential for differentiation by combining different printing and finishing processes. For the label printer, the question now is, how can I support my customers, or the wine grower, with his market presence? For the production of premium labels, the Gallus TCS 250 offers various key features. Let us take a look at the different printing processes. In the printing section, the printer can use a combination of offset and screen printing. While you can achieve top quality with offset printing, screen printing will support you at the same quality when producing elements of high color density. Hot foil embossing is integrated into the printing section. This allows the printer further printing processes after the embossing process. The Gallus TCS 250 offers the label printer the chance to transform his entire experience into first-class labels. Not then the art of printing, but the printing of art. Every label is itself a work of art. For special brilliance, the label can be overall or spot varnished with the varnishing unit. The flatbed embossing unit follows in the processing section. Because of its high degree of precision, the flatbed embossing unit imparts increased depth and expression to the label. You can use all printing and processing operations in line, from reel to reel, in one single printing process. A wide range of printing and processing operations that can be combined in line. That sounds very convincing. However, we are certainly all interested in the question of the commercial viability of printing premium wine labels and the methods used. We have asked another expert.
A
major challenge for the label printer is to focus all his experience and technology on a relatively small piece of paper that carries the corporate image of our customer. The image his wine bottle creates around the world comes exclusively from that piece of paper. It is therefore essential that we focus all our expertise on producing it as an international quality product.
Fondamentale dare un prodotto di qualità e concentrare tutta la nostra esperienza per fargli vendere il suo prodotto in giro per il mondo.
What prompted us to change was this year's breakthrough in the wine industry, where bottling plants now allow end users to take advantage of inline systems to attach their labels to the bottles. The system also offers greater creative possibilities and overcomes problems associated with different label shapes and paper substrates. The Gallus press offers us the same print quality as we previously attained using sheet-fed offset presses, but with the added advantage of going from blank reel to finished product in one pass. This cuts out all delays associated with external work and reduces working time to a minimum. It also allows us to guarantee much better quality and faster, more secure delivery times.
Uscendo col prodotto finito, tutti quei tempi di avviamento, lavorazione esterna e tutto quello che prima comportava un processo lunghissimo di lavorazione.
We chose the Gallus TCS 250 because it allows us to produce small quantities of labels with short make-ready times. For example, it takes only 1 hour to make ready a 5-color job with hot foil stamping and flatbed embossing, including loading the foil reel and setting the embossing unit, tasks that traditionally could not be achieved in the time allowed.
Un'ora e mezza uno riesce a mettersi a posto con un lavoro a 5 colori, orolamina, il rilievo in linea e la fustellatura, cosa che nel sistema tradizionale a foglio sono tanti piccoli avviamenti per lo stesso lavoro che non ci permettevano più di stare nei tempi nostri assegnati.
Let us consider these process advantages in detail. The advantages are already evident in the in-feed section of the machine. Every section is easily accessible. Here, easy handling is at the forefront. The splicing table detaches automatically when the machine is started. This prevents web breakage. The essential thing is that the Gallus TCS 250 resolves the web conditioning problems, especially as far as contamination and glue bleed are concerned. We achieve this by means of web cleaning, web edge trimming, and automatic web guides. The Gallus TCS 250's offset printing unit involves central process advantages. As with the entire machine system, the repeat of this unique printing unit can be varied between 4 inches and 10 inches. As a result, its printing processes can handle labels of differing repeats without the need for additional tools. The size of the print cylinder remains constant. By means of its forward and return motion, the web compensates for the different format lengths. Further advantages are evident when changing the printing plate. This can be accomplished with just a few movements of the hand. The Gallus TCS 250 is ready to resume operation within seconds. Naturally, the automatic inking or washing process contributes to efficiency. The ink duct keys allow the label printer to ink the printing rollers only where ink is required. When it comes to servicing, the offset unit is extremely economical. The modular roller cassettes can be exchanged very easily, and the printing process can be resumed after only a short interruption. The exchanged roller cassette can be prepared for the next application while printing continues. Let's take a look at the hot foil embossing unit. The oil-heated hot foil embosser can be integrated into the printing section before or after the varnishing unit. An inexpensive brass printing plate is used instead of a solid cylinder. Thanks to the two foil unwinds, two narrow foil webs can be processed in parallel. The consumption of foil is reduced by up to 50% or more, depending on the printing subject. The result is a permanent reduction in costs. Screen printing is a further process. Naturally, the screen printing unit offers the same variable formats as the other printing units. We now come to the finishing and processing section of the unique Gallus TCS 250. The potential for a permanent increase in efficiency has also been tapped in this area of the machine. The embossing unit can be mentioned as a particular example. Thanks to flatbed embossing, the label clearly gains in depth and expression. The printer can give the wine label his own unique stamp. The flatbed embossing unit's cassette system can be quickly prepared offline. With this system, you will reduce tool costs while significantly increasing the embossing quality. A further feature that contributes to the efficiency of the printing process is the loop bay. In conjunction with the innovative control, this unit enables the matrix removal units to be switched off individually, and the matrix reel to be changed and then returned to service, all with the printing process running. The Gallus TCS 250 offers a multitude of process advantages. With the Gallus TCS 250, you will provide the printer with an opportunity to utilize his entire know-how and full experience in order to produce first-class labels. The potential of the Gallus TCS 250 means success for every printer who knows what is important in the production of premium labels. This brings us to the end of the high-tech report for the Gallus TCS 250. Let's take another look at the central advantages of this innovative label printing system. First, variable format. Format variability helps you boost efficiency while simultaneously achieving a significant reduction in tool costs. Second, variable printing and processing methods. Here it only remains to say that the possibilities of the Gallus TCS 250 are almost unlimited. There are many that have tried, but only one that really succeeds. Third, high economy in the premium label sector, the economic production of premium labels, thanks to unique and permanent process advantages. The Gallus TCS 250 is the artist's choice. With the Gallus TCS 250, you will increase your competitiveness in the premium quality sector. The Gallus TCS 250, the system for the premium sector, today and in the future.